there. We should follow the instructions. And so in conclusion, guys, this looks like to be really, really fun thing to have. I've got two different vases or vases. There's this really cool one, and there is one that I 3D printed a while back. And I think that the 3D printing one is going to be amazing for this. So it'll be something like that. It'll look great on the table, where we will eventually showcase this once it is nice and fluffy and we've shedded whatever needed to be shedded and fluffed whatever needs to be fluffed in the sun. We'll be back and we'll see what the final result looks like. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm glad that you guys came on this journey with me to view yet another awesome product, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.
Likey.